For go-getters and hustlers that wanna know.
For the go-getters and the hustlers and the ones that wanna know.
Go-getters boo ko déggee mooy yox la jëli ko xam nga hustlers mooy ñefekat dóor ko tuwaar. For go-getters, hustlers and the ones that wanna know mi ne ñefekat dóor ko tuwaar yi bëgg a xam. Tired in our vocabulary.
Tired not in our vocabulary.
Sonn bokkul ci suñuy vocabulaire bokkul ci ñun. Tired is not in our vocabulary. We may need rest. mën nañoo bëgg noppaliku.
We may need rest.
We may get rest. mën nañu noppaliku aussi.
And we may get rest.
But we will never get tired. mais duñu mos a sonn.
But we don't never get tired.
I swear to God, I ain't gonna lie. I love 50 Cent more than anybody else in the rap game, but you know, when it comes to the motivational stuff, man, there's nobody near this fat ass nigga called Rick Ross, man. This man is on another level, you know what I'm saying? Respect.